Hello, dear students of class 12. Very pleasant good morning to you all. Hope all of you are keeping fine and doing very well in your life. And hopefully, you are enjoying the drama which we are about to complete. Dear students, once again, let me take your attention to our green board here. We are with our Tempest Act. We are with Act 5, Scene 1 here, and today we will be taking the test from 280 to 325. And tomorrow, one more class we need, then we will complete the whole drama. So, again, the actions of this class takes place right in front of our Prospero's cell in the island, and the characters present here are, of course, our Prospero is there, Alonso is there, Ariel is there, then Sebastian is there, Antonio is there, Stefano, Tringulo, and our Caliban here. Almost all the characters are present here because we are going to have the happy conclusion or happy ending of the drama. Thus, all the characters are necessary to be present here in this part of the drama. All right, let me remind you about the previous class. In our previous class, as per the instruction of our Prospero, Ariel had brought boatswain and the master of the ship to this cell, and King Alonso was really surprised or wonderstruck to see the presence of boatswain. Thus he asked, "How did you reach here?" Then our boatswain narrated all the incidents, what happened, and still our Alonso could not believe. Thus he told that from test number 275 onwards, Alonso, "This is as strange a maze as ever men trod." Yes, maze means it is one of the strangest puzzles that ever man experienced or trod, and there is in this business more than nature was ever conduct of. See, it is not just the nature that has done all these things, but beyond nature, something else, some supernatural power. More than nature was ever conduct of some oracle must, or some oracle means official teachings, legal teachings, must rectify our knowledge. Yes, to avoid our confusions, definitely some authorized person should speak to us. That is the place where we have stopped. From test number 280, Prospero's dialogue onwards. Please pay attention. "Sir, my liege." My liege means my king. "Sir, my king." Still with great respect, our Prospero calls Alonso as my liege. Liege means my king or my king. "Do not infest your mind with beating on the strangeness of this business." Don't be infecting your mind with the thought of the things that are happening here in this island. At picked leisure, at chosen time. Picked leisure means at the chosen selected recreation time, free time. Leisure means recreation, free time. "We shall be shortly, we shall be coming shortly. Single I will resolve you." Single, alone I will talk to you, which to you shall seem probable. Then you will understand it is a possible thing to happen. Of every these happened accidents, till when be cheerful and think of each thing well. So our Prospero is telling our Alonso, "King, oh my king, don't be wonderstruck with the strange things that are happening here. At the free time which we are going to have shortly, I will alone I will say to you, and then you will understand the probabilities of these happenings here. Then he invites his Ariel, come hither spirit, you come here my Ariel, set Caliban and his companions free. Then our Prospero asks our Ariel to set free our Caliban's, our Tringulo and companions. Tringulos, yes, of course, Stefano, Tringulo and Caliban, they were together. Thus our Prospero requests them. Let me explain you about the meaning of these 280 and 85. Please pay attention. Prospero, my lord, do not bother yourself taking of this mysterious situation. I will explain the incidents at leisure, free time. Leisure means free time, which will come soon. My explanation will make these incidents seem as quite probable. After my explanation, you will understand that this type of things can really happen. Till then, be cheerful and think everything is favorable. And until that time, think everything is pleasant, calm and quiet and favorable. Then aside to Ariel, come here spirit, set Caliban and his companions, that is Stefano and Tringulo, free. Remove the magic spell, untie the spell, remove the magic spell. Magic means ताबीज, जो magic का ताबीज बांधा गया उसको निकाल दो and free them, set them free. Untie the spell. So our Ariel exit. How fares my gracious sir? How are you, how fares my gracious sir means how are you, my beloved sir? Again calling to Naples, the king of Naples, Alonso. These are yet missing of your company. There are yet missing of your company. Yet there are some people of your company that is missing. Some few odd lads means boys, some strange, odd, separate, independent lads that you remember not, that about whom you do not remember. Yes. Again, our Prospero, after giving the command to our Ariel, that is asking Ariel to set Tringulo, Stefano and Caliban to free, again Prospero turns his attention to our King Alonso and asks, how are you, my beloved Lord? There are some more boys of your group missing here and about whom you have already forgotten. Our Prospero reminds, yes. Now, re-enter Ariel driving in Caliban, Stefano and Tringulo in their stolen apparel, stolen dress. Remember, earlier these three fellows had stolen the apparel of, yes, apparel means the costume or the dress of Prospero. Stefano, every man shift for all the rest. See, all these three characters, Stefano, Tringulo and Caliban, they are drunk, thoroughly drunk, especially Stefano and our Tringulo. Yes, every man shift for all the rest. That means let every man take care of the others. Let every man, let every person take care of the others. And let no man take care of himself. And let no man take care of himself. That's a good thing, isn't it? Let every man take care of others and no man take care of himself. For all is but fortune, because everything depends on fortune and luck. Coraggio, bully monster, coraggio. Coraggio, have courage, my bully monster. Bully monster means it is referring to our Caliban, who shows himself as a big person here. Big, brave, mighty person. Coraggio, courage. Be courageous, my Bully monster, be courageous. Coraggio. See, courage meaning is he have courage. Bully monster, bullying monster, monster who makes a show of being very brave. So Caliban was showing himself as a very brave person here. So Sebastian is saying that let every man take care of others and let nobody take care of himself, because everything depends on fortune. Have courage, my friend monster, have courage. Yes. Tringulo. If this be true spice which I wear in my head, here is a goodly sight. Spice. Spice here means eyes. If this be true eyes, if I can see whatever is right in front of me with my own eyes, then it is a beautiful sight. What I see is really beautiful. Yes, goodly sight. If this be true spice, that means if the eyes which I have in my head do not deceive me, here is a splendid sight, beautiful sight. Yes, if I can trust the eyes which is on my head, then definitely I can say it is a very beautiful sight. If this be true spice, spice means eyes which can see, which I wear in my head, here is a goodly spirit. Caliban. Oh, Setebos. Setebos means the devil, the name of the leader devil, Setebos. Yes. Oh, Setebos, these be brave spirits indeed. Let these people be brave spirits, courageous spirits. How fine my master is. Oh, how fine my master is. He is thinking about, our Caliban is thinking about his master Prospero. I am afraid he will chastise me. Chastise means to punish me. Chastise means to punish. Oh, how well my master is here. Definitely he is going to punish me to death. Oh, Setebos, these are really wonderful spirits. Oh, Setebos, these are really wonderful spirits. Now, why Caliban says them as spirits? Because he is right in front of him. He sees Alonso, Antonio, Sebastian, Gonzalo, and all these people. And seeing all this, Caliban thinks that they are spirits. They are not really spirits, but as Caliban has not seen any of this type of creatures except Prospero or maybe Ferdinand and Miranda, he feels Alonso, Gonzalo, Antonio, Sebastian, they all are good spirits. So he calls the name of Setebos. Setebos, the super devil. Yes. Oh, Setebos, let these be good spirits. Then he feels how fine my master is. Oh, how wonderful my master is. I am afraid he will chastise me. He will punish me. Oh, by Setebos, these are really wonderful spirits. How fine my master Prospero is. I am afraid that he will punish me. Chastise means to punish. Sebastian. Ha ha! What things are these, my lord Antonio? Will money buy them? Now Sebastian. Ha ha! What things are these, my lord Antonio? Oh, my lord Antonio, what these things are? Will money buy them? Ha ha! What strange creatures are these? Now see, you see, our Stefano, Trinculo, and Caliban are strange creatures filled with total uglinism in their body, ugly looking creatures. So, seeing these creatures, Stefano, Tringulo, and Caliban, our Sebastian asks, what things are these, my lord Antonio? What are these things? Will money buy them? What strange creatures are these, Lord Antonio? Can they be bought with money? Can they be bought with money? Yes. Antonio, very like one of them is a plain fish. Yes, very light. Yes, they look very strange. And one of them looks like straight fish, plain fish, and no doubt marketable, fit for marketing. Fit for marketing means fit for sale. Yes, it is possible that they could be bought with money. One of them is a plain fish, probably referring to our Caliban. Yes, and no doubt can be bought. It's marketable, fit for sale. Now, our Prospero. Mark but the badges of this man. Mark, not mark. Our Prospero is mainly talking to Alonso here. Mark, pay attention to the badge. Badge means the outer dress, the garments of Prospero, which was stolen. Mark but these badges of these men. These men referring to Stefano, Tringulo and Caliban. Yes, my lords, then say if they be true, then you observe them and tell me whether they are true, honest, whether they are honest. This mishapen knave, this mishapen, that is deformed. Of course, Caliban is having some different shape, like the shape of a fish, half man. Yes, this mishapen, that is deformed knave. Knave means rascal, idiot. His mother was a witch. Yes, Sycorax. Yes, and one so strong that could control the moon. She was so powerful that she could even control the moon, make flows and ebbs. Flows, make the tides to flow and ebbs to go by. Make the waters to come and go. Like the tides, they have the forward movement and the backward movement, flowing movement and ebbing movement. Ebbing movement, ebbs means to move. E-double-B-S. Ebbs means retrieve or go back. Retrieves and deal in her command without her power. These three have robbed me. These three have robbed me. And this demi-devil, of course, referring to our Caliban. For he is a bastard one. He is a bastard one. Bastard really means a person who is having no father. Yes, bastard one had plotted with them to take my life. They have made secret plans. This rascal, together with our Stefano and Tringulo, have plotted against me to take my life. Two of these fellows you must know and own. You must know about them. King, you must know because you must know Stefano and Tringulo because they belong to you. This thing of darkness again pointing to our Caliban. Caliban is the ugliest looking person in this group. Yes. This thing of darkness I acknowledge mine, and I acknowledge this one as my own servant. Yes, Caliban. Now before that, let me explain to you the meaning. Please pay attention. Look at their clothes and then say whether they are honest or not. This deformed rascal, referring to our Caliban, is the son of a witch. Sycorax, you know the name of Caliban's mother. Yes. She was so powerful that she could exercise the power of the moon. She could even exercise the power of the moon, make the tides flow as well as ebb. She could even make the flow, it means the water to flow and ebb. He and his companions have stolen my garments. They have stolen my garments. He, the illegitimate son, bastard son, the illegitimate son of a witch, due to her association with the devil, is himself half a devil. So he is a half devil. Who? Our Caliban is a half devil. He had conspired with the other two to murder me. You must be knowing the other two, since they are from your side, as You must be knowing our Stefano and Tringulo because they belong to you. I admit that this wicked monster is my servant. I acknowledge that this particular monster, half devil, that is Caliban, is my servant. So that is the test. Hope you have understood the test. Caliban. Excuse me. I shall be pinched to death. Now Caliban really fears that Prospero is going to punish him. Pinched, tortured to death. I am going to be punished, too badly punished by Prospero. Alonso. Is not this Stefano my drunken butler? Yes. Is this not Stefano my drunken butler? Excuse me. This is not Stefano my drunken butler? Who is a butler? The one who prepares food. Yes. Sebastian. He is drunk now. Where had he wine? Sebastian is saying, yes, he is drunk now. But where had he got the wine? Where had he wine? Yes, he is drunk at present. Where did he get the wine from? Yes, Alonso. And Tringulo is reeling ripe, too much drunk. Now, Tringulo, he is also too much drunk, yes. He is too much drunk, he is not able to stand, yes. And Tringulo is reeling ripe. Reeling ripe is referred, the meaning is already given here. See, reeling ripe, so intoxicated as to stagger. Staggering means, yes, he is not able to stand properly. Sometimes you may have seen some drunkards in the evening hours in the city or right in front of house in your mohalla. You have seen some drunkards walk. Isn't it? Yes, that way you have seen, yes. So, our Tringulo is reeling ripe. Where should they find this grand liquor that has gilded them, made their faces red? Gilded them means to make their faces red. Now, Alonso is wondering, saying, our Tringulo is also too much drunk and he is not able to stand properly. But he is surprised to know that how did they get such a fine liquor which have made their faces red after drinking a lot. And this grand liquor that has gilded them, how camest thou in this pickle? Yes, how camest thou in this pickle? See, pickle him, messy state. How did he become in this messy state? That messy state means in this pickle, in this predicament. How you came in this situation? Understand the meaning. Tringulo is, Alonso is saying, our Tringulo is staggering under the influence of wine. Where could they have found the strong liquor that has made them so drunk? How did you manage to get into this messy state? How did you manage to get this one into messy state? Tringulo, yes. I have been in such a pickle since all, such a pickle. All of them are having the scale of fish on their body with too much affecting of the salty water. Yes, I have been in such a pickle since I saw you last that I fear me will never out of my bonds. I shall not fear fly blowing me. That means I have been in such a situation, such a condition, such a predicament, pickle since I saw you last. Since I saw you last. I fear me will never out of my bonds, and I fear these things will never go out of my bonds. I shall not fear fly blowing, fly defiling me. Look at the meaning. I have been in such a pickle, salt water, since I last saw you. I am afraid that I will never get the salt out from my bones. I am sure I am not going to get the salt out of my body. Being drenched in salt water, being drenched, wet in salt water, I am free from flies defiling me. I am sure that flies will not come and sit on me. Yes. Sebastian. Why? How now, Stefano? Why now? Why? Yes. Well, what is the master, Stefano? Stefano. Oh, touch me not. Please don't touch me. I am not Stefano, but a cramp. I am not Stefano, but I am a cramp. But a cramp, that means I am not Stefano. Sorry, I am not, yes, I am not Stefano, but I am a cramp, which means I feel too much pain on my body, total body, complete body. Oh, touch me not, I am not Stefano, but a cramp. Oh, do not touch me because I am not Stefano. I am a mass of pain. I am a bundle of pain. Prospero. You would be king of the island Syrah? So, would you be the king of this island, sir? See, he had the plan, or Stefano had the plan to kill Prospero and get married to Miranda and become the king of this island, isn't it? Now, Prospero had known this thought of Stefano, and now he asked, oh, so would you be the king of this island, sir? Would you like to become the king of this island, sir? You would be king of the island, sir. Syrah. Syrah means a term that is used for just a servant address. Stefano, I should have been a sore one then. Then I would have been a king full of pains then. If I have to be the king here, then I have to be the king with lot of pain in my body. Yes, I should have been a sore one then. Sore one means, see, I should have been the sore one means one experiencing pain, ruthless or tyrannical. Yes. Then, if I would be the king, then I would be too much painful. I will be feeling too much pain in my body. Yes, dear students, Alonso, this is a strange thing as ever I looked on. Okay, this is the strangest thing that I have ever seen. This is as strange a creature as I have ever seen. So, dear students, as it is time, let me wind up the class of the day. So, we have learned all these things. Once again, let me take your attention to the board here to revise what we have learned. Today we have learned Act 5, Scene 1, test number 282, 325, characters present here, Prospero, Alonso, Ariel, Sebastian, Gonzalo, Boatswain, Stefano, then Tringulo, Caliban, all those people are there, and this scene, this part also took place right in front of our Prospero cell, because it is we are going to have the conclusion of the drama or the ending of the drama. So here Prospero is slowly he was revealing and making others' mistake understandable, and of course at the same time he was clarifying the doubts of the king of Naples. Yes, dear students, finally these three characters who tried to kill Prospero, that is Stefano, Tringulo and Caliban, they are also brought here. And since they are Stefano, Tringulo and Caliban, they look in a different way with the scales on their body. So our King Alonso is again surprised to see them in this condition. Yes, here we stop the class for the day, and we hope to complete the class within one more period, probably by tomorrow. All right. So, dear students, please read the test, listen the video, then make your extra efforts so that you can understand and write your exams without much complications. I take the same class in the same way as I teach you in the class. So, if you do have any trouble in understanding the class, please be kind enough to inform me. I will get back to you with your clarifications and doubts. So once again, Josar is signing out from this class. To meet you again in our next class. Bye bye. Thank you.